Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CubixSol YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create this type of motion graphics using HTML and CSS only. And these HTML cards are completely responsive. You can see that these cards will look like this on tablet devices and they will look like this on mobile phone devices. So friends, video is going to be more important, and before start I request you to subscribe for our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our regular videos. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that on my desktop I have a folder, and inside this folder I have 4 images, one index.html file and the second is style.css. Each image have 854 pixel of width and 1281 pixel of height. And here you can see I have opened my project folder in Visual Studio Code, and to the right side you will able to see the output. First of all, I will create a basic HTML structure. Here I will type effective motion graphics. Next I will link the style.css file with my this HTML file. Next, inside the body element I will create a div with class container. Inside this I will create a div with class card. Create an image inside this card, and here I will type the name of my first image, which is 1.png. You can see an image here. Next, type here h1, type some title, and next I will type here paragraph element and add some dummy paragraph in this. I will remove this remaining words. So this is the code for our one card. Next I will copy this, paste here 3 times, change the image and title of second card. Here type 3.png and 4.png. You can see the output. We have images with titles and paragraphs. Here I will type the title for our fourth card and a title for our third card. Next, open style.css and type here star, padding 0, margin 0 and box sizing border box. So these two properties will remove the default margin and padding from our all elements. And next I am going to use a Google font. So to add the Google font in your project, search here Google Fonts, click on the first link, click on these 3 bars, select fonts. Here you can search for your desired font. In my case I will search for Poppins. Click on this font, and this is the preview that how our font will look like. Scroll up and I will select this regular 400. Click on this add button, click on view selected families on the top right, select import, copy this link and paste this in the first line of your CSS file. Next, copy this font family property and paste this inside universal selector. So you can see the image, the output that we have this type of font for our elements. Here I will correct the spelling. Next, copy this body element, paste here and type background color black, width 100% and minimum height 100 VH. You can see the output. Next, copy this container class, paste here and type display flex, justify content center and align item center. You can see that our images are in a same line. Next, I will copy this card class, paste this class here with a dot and type padding 20 pixel for top and bottom and 15 pixel for right and left. Width 25%. So here you can see that we have 25% width for our each card. Transition 0.5 second. In this project, this property will help us that how much time the hover effect will take to complete that style. Next I will type here border right 1 pixel dotted white. So you will see a dotted border around the right side of your cards. Next, type here margin top 40 pixel. You can see a top margin here. And next we have to add the hover effect on our these cards. Type card colon hover. Type here a property transform translate y minus 30 pixel. So you can see that when user will hover on these images will move to the upside to minus 30 pixel. Next, copy this image element, paste here. Before this, copy this card class and paste here and type here transform skew y 3 degree. So you can see that a skew effect on our all images. Next, type here transform origin top and bottom, because we only want to skew our images from top and bottom. Next, type object fit cover and width 100%. So friends, you can see that the object fit property will help your image to fit the image in its container in a meaningful way. Next, we have to give style to our these headings. To do this, simply copy this h1 element and paste this element here, and before this copy this card class and paste this class here. Type color, type this color code and margin top 30 pixel. Next, copy this p element and paste this element here, and before this paste the card class. Type here color white and margin 10 pixel for top and bottom and 0 pixel for right and left. So friends, you can see that we have this type of cards right now. Next, we have to make them responsive, because currently these cards will look like this on mobile devices. To make this card responsive, I will use some CSS media queries. Type here @media, maximum width 767 pixel. Here I will copy this container class and paste this class here with a dot and type flex direction column. So friends, you can see that our all cards in a column. Next, we have to copy this card class and paste here and type width 100%. You can see the output. And next, we have to add two more properties. The one is padding 20 pixel for top and bottom and 25 pixel for right and left. Margin 10 pixel for top and bottom and 0 for right and left. So friends, you can see the output. These cards will look like this on mobile devices. Next, we have to design this for tablet devices. Simply copy this media query and paste here, and this maximum width 767 pixel means that this CSS style will implement on these classes when the user have screen size between 0 pixel to 767 pixel. So here I have to type 968 pixel. So this style is for tablet device. I have to type here flex wrap and change the width from 100% to 50%. So friends, you can see the output that this output will look like this on tablet devices. I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And share this video with those friends who want to learn web designing. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.